Hey guys, what's up? This is going to be a real quick video just on roof maintenance. Now, I'm by no means a roofer, and I don't think I could confidently put on a roof, metal or shingle. But there's things you need to do, even if you don't know anything about roofing, to maintain your roof and help prevent problems. Look at that. That's one thing. I've been up here cleaning it off, all the pollen I got. But a couple things. Number one, places where you have attic ventilation, or I think it's stove ventilation. There's one over there. And your plumbing vents, wherever there's screws, because you know they're screwed down with their metal base flashing. The screw holes. Now, this is a manufactured home. It's probably more prevalent if you have manufactured homes. If you have a good roofer, you know they're going to cover all their bases. But especially if you have a manufactured home like me. None of these screw holes here had tar on them. Any screw protruding and showing at the top of the roof is going to get water in it. So number one, go through all these and find screws that need to be tarred. And I've already done it 2 years ago when we got in here, but there I found one. There's just one I got to re-tar, this one here, because their water will get in that. So go through everywhere you got vents or anything protruding through the roof, check the screws, and get tar on them. And if you got a bad roofer or just a manufactured home like me, I walked this roof, not even where there's stuff protruding. I walked this roof and I found random spots everywhere where screws were protruding. Right here at the ridge. There's one all the way over here. There was a screw coming through there. I mean, you get the idea. There were screws coming through in random spots all on this roof. I went and tarred. So go through, check your screws. That's number one. Number two, at your plumbing vents, obviously they're open to the air, you know, and it doesn't matter if rain gets in it, it's your plumbing. However, I mean, look at all these trees I have. A lot of them are oak trees. This would easily get clogged with leaves, pollen, acorns. A bird could put a nest over it. Get clogged with anything. Just get you any kind of metal grate, just any kind. I zip tied it on there. It's been like that for 2 years. The other one over there as well. And they've never clogged at all. If you're worried about these little holes getting plugged up, 2 years or all these trees, it's never got clogged up, even close. You can see how clean it is. I haven't touched it. So I would cover those with some kind of metal grating. That way you still get your ventilation. They ain't gonna get clogged up with birds, debris, or whatever. That's number two. Number three is, and this is important to understand, there is no such thing as a maintenance-free gutter. It does not exist. And with all these trees, I didn't want to go to Lowe's or Home Depot or somewhere like that and get their gutter guards because they're crap. They just are. So I went through an actual company, had to pay a lot, but I felt like it was worth it. I went through Leaf Filter, and I have these gutter guards, and they work really, really well. I don't got to do much to them. Like in the fall, when all these leaves fall, the leaves blow right off the roof. They slide right off the gutters. It's great. However, I've already cleaned the back gutters here. I'll show you the front. The pollen is another story. Let me show you here. Look at the pollen that is just glued down right here. See what I'm saying? The leaves are fine, but the pollen's not. There is no such thing as a maintenance-free gutter. No matter how much you pay, what company you go through, no such thing. So I'm up here, the last part of my maintenance, I'm just getting the pollen out of here. But I mean, that's all I got for you guys. Just, you know, check your roof once at minimum every 2 years. Walk through it. Even if you don't know what you're doing, you can do these simple steps. Maybe save yourself a headache. Thanks for watching.